أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. Today I'm standing on the Imam Hussein. It's near Hazrat Abbas and Imam Hussein, and I came from Africa. And I study in Africa. I'm in ninth class. And this tour, Mehndi tour, is very grateful, and I'm thankful to them. And the draft agency are Abuzar Saab and other people who helped us, who are making us record these videos and post on YouTube. This my feelings. This is the first time to Karbala, and my feeling is very grateful. Yesterday we all traveled to Samara, Kazmin. It was a very grateful experience to Karbala. Tomorrow, inshallah, leaving for Najaf, and inshallah, Ameen. I request to Imam Hussein and Hazrat Abbas that they should call us again on 3rd Shaban and other events which are held in Karbala, and that I'm thankful to Mehndi to give me this chance and Graph Agency to speak over here in English, especially in English, not in other languages. I'm thankful to them, and Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.